Hi everyone, my name is Roger Abatan. I am an industrial designer. I like to design, I like to 3D print, and that's what the YouTube channel is about. 3D print and design is about taking on new challenges, doing experimentation with 3D printing, and come up with some new design concept and see how we can implement them. If that's something that speaks to you, do not hesitate to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can be notified about every video I post. So the topic of the day is 3D printing and fashion. I've been doing a lot of research lately, and I came across a very interesting project that people are doing. There's a very interesting way of integrating 3D printing in fashion. And I decided to do some trials, some testing in my own to see what I can come up with and how practical this technology could be in the real world. Is that something that we can actually do? So I'm gonna do some testing here, and hopefully it goes well. Otherwise, we learn from mistake and trials and see how we can do better things. This black t-shirt that I'm wearing today is I'll do some testing on that. I'm creating some design concept that I will test on this t-shirt. Have some stripe on the short sleeve area, both of them, and I'll 3D print my logo on the chest area, and I also have a design in the back. So I will test that. I'll 3D print and see how I'll be able to put them on a shirt. I'll be sharing a lot of my research here. I came across a very good website where you can have very good information about 3D printing, about 3D filament, and see which one will be very suitable to the type of application that you want to do. This website is very resourceful, and I'm gonna share that in the link with you also, so that I can benefit from the research I've done. So I hope you stick around, you stay here, and I'll see you soon. I was doing my research, and I found this website. They have all type of filament you need here, flexible. So they say their goal is to enable anyone to create professional print with affordable, high quality material, just like a professional printing company. This collection here, I found that very interesting and very smart. That's a good way of getting people into 3D printing and testing different set of filament and see which one works for them based on the application. This is definitely something I would recommend anyone to order and test it out. They have PLA, flexible filament, food grade filament, everything. They call it the deluxe pack. So you see they have a fiber flex, flexible one, carbon fiber, engineer, material. They have almost everything you need here. Fiber wood. So that is a website that I would recommend to anyone. They also have the blog. They have blog station where you can find tips. And they also have food safe filament. You can find information about that. Seal printed story. This girl, she does incredible thing on YouTube. I started following her on YouTube because of the project she's been doing. She used 3D printing to create clothing, design her own design, and she has a very interesting process that is inspiring me too. So that's definitely something that if you guys are interested in learning more, she's called her YouTube channel is Sue Printed. I'll turn it in here. I subscribe to her. Sue Printing. The computer is very slow today down the so you can see, she does a lot of interesting stuff. I could recommend her to you if you want to learn more about fashion and 3D printing. So let's get back to the page. They have a blog. Let's see, all filament. View all filament. They have simple. They have ABS, artist collection, dissolvable support material. They have everything here. Festival collection, HIP lineup. There are even filament here that I have no clue about. So I recommend this pack to people. Just try the pack, and then you get to know more about this different filament that they have, and you can do your own testing from there.